When we talk about Dettol, we mean pimples, acnes. Are you ready to get rid of pimples and acnes? But if at all first time to click on my channel, please kindly subscribe because you're in the right place. If at all you want to get rid of acnes and pimples, in today's video I have 2 ingredients. I'm going to be showing you how to use them and you get rid of pimples. I have done a lot of videos about Dettol, but today again I have come with Dettol Antiseptic liquid. Yeah, this protects against germs and it's very effective when it comes to pimples and acnes. And how to use it. Learn how to use Dettol and you get the effective results. The reason why you're not getting the effective results, it's because you use it in a bad way. So just keep tuned. I'm going to be showing you how to use Dettol Antiseptic liquid and get rid of acnes and you get a soft looking skin like mine. Okay, let's get started. So all I'm going to be using, I have water right here in my small vial. It's small, so I'm going to be adding in this Dettol, but make sure that you add it in water because Dettol is very acidic. It will irritate your skin, so always make sure that you add Dettol. I'm going to be adding 1 bottle of Dettol in my small water. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, you always have to make sure that you dissolve it. You put it in water to dissolve due that it's very okay. Yeah, it is. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So because it's very acidic, so you have to dissolve it. You cannot apply Dettol directly to your skin because it's going to irritate your skin and at times it can also burn your skin. Dettol is used for a lot of things. If at all you have scissor wound and you would like to dry it, you can use Dettol Antiseptic liquid. If at all you have bad smell, it kills germs as well. So after get our cotton cloth, I have my wipe here. So I'm going to be adding it in water like this. So all you're going to be doing, you just have to be applying on the affected places. So I'm going to be adding my cotton cloth in my, but remember you have to dissolve it. So you have to take the steps I'm taking so that you're not going to get any side effects with Dettol. So I'm going to be applying it on the affected places. My skin is very sensitive and remember Dettol can burn your skin. So I'll just use my hand to show you how to do it. But remember, if you have pimples, definitely apply it on your skin. But remember it has to be dissolved and keep it for 30 minutes after wash it off. Don't leave Dettol on your skin because it's very strong and it will irritate your skin. And after that you're going to be coming back to me making harakat and I don't like that. So after wash it off, after washing it off, we need a moisturizer, a pure skin, like a pure pimple remover or acne remover moisturizer. I have Vaseline with the blue bar here. Vaseline is very good, but for those who don't have dark skins, today we are not going to use this. I have Abilene. Yeah, Abilene is very good, effective when it comes to pimples, even inner pimples. If you have pimples and they are in, acnes are very nice. You like this Abilene, it's very nice. So you're going to be using Abilene for your skin after using Dettol. Trust me, within just 7 days your skin is going to be cleared and good to go. So let me show you how to do it. So if you get this Abilene, I'm not going to use it on my face as well. So apply it on in your hands like this. Then you start massaging your face like this in a gentle way. Don't scrub your face, but when you're applying it, make sure that you do like this. You understand? You keep your skin aged and at the same time you don't make it to get old. So you always have to make sure that when you're applying in your face, you apply in this formula. You just apply like this, you see, like this. When it comes to the forehead, you just apply, taking in the what, in the hair, just like this. You understand? So when it comes to the neck, you just apply in this way. You understand? So in that way, within just 7 days, you're going to be coming back thanking me. Okay guys, love you all and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao.